name is Stuart Nachbar, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney. I've been practicing since 1994, and I'm here today to answer questions that I hear every day from my bankruptcy clients. The last question that always comes up when people come to see me for their first meeting is, what is the pro and what is the con? Meaning, what is the upside versus the downside of filing for bankruptcy? Well, it really depends on what you're trying to do. But the upside is when you file for bankruptcy, as opposed to doing a debt consolidation group, is that you have the protection of 11 U.S.C. 362, which is the automatic stay. That prevents any creditor from attacking you, from filing a lawsuit, or from contacting you and harassing you to try and get you to pay their bills. That is one of the most powerful statutes, and if a creditor violates that statute, a debtor can go to the bankruptcy court and request sanctions against a creditor. What's a con of bankruptcy? Well, as I've said in other videos and in other discussions, it remains on your credit report for 7 to 10 years, depending upon what type of bankruptcy you filed. Another downside to bankruptcy is, yes, you will pay a higher APR on a credit card once you get a new credit card. If you go to buy a house later on, yes, you may have to pay purchase money security insurance, or PMSI, and you will probably have a higher interest rate than you would if you didn't have bankruptcy on your credit report. But if you don't file for the bankruptcy, then you may not be able to get that house because you may not be able to get out of all the debt that you're already in. So the pros and cons of bankruptcy really go to the pros of it. And that's where I like to focus. When you are dealing with a debt consolidation group, that doesn't stop a creditor from entering a judgment, pursuing you in court, garnishing your wages, or anything like that. If you file for bankruptcy, the creditors can take no action without permission of the bankruptcy court. They stand to protect you, the debtor. Hope that helps.